Example number 1. A mixture containing 6% boric acid is to be mixed with 2 quarts of mixture, which is 15% acid. In order to obtain a solution which is 12% boric acid, how much of 6% solution must be used? Okay, so in dealing with a mixture problem, there are two facts that we need to remember, or we need to deal with. That is the percent of each mixture. Percent of each mixture. What is the mixture? That is a boric acid. And the amount of the mixture. In this case, in this example problem, that is boric acid. What is the amount? 2 quarts. Okay. So, if you recall, in our TRD, we have a TRD box or TRD table. So, in dealing with mixture problem, we also have a mixture table. Okay? So, this mixture table will help us formulate our equation. Okay? So, our mixture, what type of mixture? That is boric acid. So, the mixture containing 6% boric acid is to be mixed with 2 quarts of mixture 15%. So, 6% of boric acid. So, if you observe, the 6%, the amount of 6% is unknown. It is not defined in the problem. So, the mixture containing. So, if we let, for example, in our usual step in determining the unknown, we let b x, or we let x be the unknown. So, in this case, that would be the amount. We let x be the amount of the first mixture containing 6%. So, we let x. Okay? So, what is the percent? That is 6%. Okay, how about the second mixtures? So, to be mixed, it means to be added. Okay, that's why it is in a positive, or sum, or add is to be mixed. The two mixture is to be mixed. Okay, to be mixed with 2 quarts. So, what is the amount? 2. What is the unit here? Quarts. Okay, so let's be clear. Okay, so the total mixture, if you sum, that would be x plus 2. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so what is the percentage of our 2 quarts? That is 15%. 15%. Okay, so now we need to multiply the 6% going to our amount, okay, in order for us to formulate the equation. So, if we do so, what will happen? That will become 6x. So, we need to convert our percent into decimal, okay? So, what is the equivalent of 6%? That is 0.06x. How about this one? That is 0.0, oops, not 0, that is already 15. So, that is 0.15 times 2, okay? So, both of these are the same mixture. They are same boric acid. Okay. So now, the solution, which is 12% boric acid, in order to obtain. So the result here, this will become 12% boric acid. Okay. So what is our, if we do, this will become plus, we sum, this is x plus 2. Okay, so finally, we can formulate our equation from our table. Okay, so our table is, based from our table, this will become 0.06x plus, that is 0.15 times 2, the amount, that is 310, that is or 0.03, 0.3 equal to, again, 12%. You convert it into decimal, then x plus 2. Here, we already have a common data. Let's make it quick. Just use the method or the quickest. Shift solve. Okay, so 0.06 alpha x plus 0.3 is equal to 0.12 quantity alpha x plus 2. Shift solve. So the answer, your x is equal to, yes, your x is equal to 1. Correct. So you need the amount of 1 quarts in order how much 6% solution must be used. That is 1 quarts. Okay. So I hope as a recap, since this is our first problem, as a recap again, there are two details that you need to deal with dealing with mixture problem. One is the percentage of the mixture and the second is the amount of the mixture. Okay. So, sir, is this table fixed to all mixture problem? It depends. If the problem involves not only two mixture or three mixture, it means that this table will expand as long as that three mixture is being added or being mixed together. Okay? So I hope our discussion for our first problem is clear. Let's move on to our next example.